Sensor adhesives bond sensors to printed circuit boards. They're used in applications such as automotive, industrial, and medical electronics. Sensors can measure physical quantities like temperature and pressure, or dynamic characteristics like acceleration or rotation. But no matter what they measure, sensors need the right type of adhesive for the environment. For example, a temperature sensor that's near a processor might need a thermally conductive adhesive to dissipate heat that can affect external temperature readings. Silicone adhesives are a good choice for high heat applications, but epoxy adhesives are also worth a close look. GlueSpec has the sensor adhesives you need. To get started, visit gluespec.com. Then choose the Product Categories menu. Scroll down to Industry and choose Electronics. Under Electronics, choose Electronic Component. Then choose Sensors. You can view individual products or use the advanced search to compare them by specification. Create a free account and log in to find what you've been looking for.